Hello! Good afternoon! Nandito po ngayon tayo sa Pililla, Rizal, on top of the mountain of Rizal, kung saan makikita ang mga windmills. Yan. It's just actually windmills to generate electricity. We are actually on top of this very high mountain in Pililla, Rizal. That one is actually the Laguna de Bay. Makikita mo from here. And yung makikita mo yung parang pula is actually it's like a housing project para sa mga majiji. Ayan, nakikita mo, pero yung nakapaligid naman ay napakaganda pa rin ang tanawin because this is part of Rizal. Beautiful pa rin and very very green. Kita mo lahat ng mga nadaanan namin ay puro mango plantation. Ayan, and later on makikita mo rin ang mga Chaka bells. Ayun. And very windy indeed here. And far from here, makikita mo naman na talagang umuulan banda roon is somewhere in Siniluan or
No, that's not
or
Siniluan.
Antipolo, or I don't know what's that. Somewhere in Quezon City.
Yes.
Kasi ano na yun, Antipolo na in the right side. Pagbaba nito is Antipolo na. Pagbaba
Tanay.
is actually Tanay down to EDSA. Ang labas sa highway ng Antipolo, if I'm not mistaken. And the beautiful Matet is here with us.
Hi.
Para of course, maliit lang ang dala naming sasakyan na binigay ni Ronnie,
Mayora.
ni Mayora, pahiram ni Mayora.
Windmill
Nakuha na itong windmill. Ayan, para malaman lang. And later on, mayroon pa doon maraming windmill at sa susunod na ating video. That's all for today. And may mga truck pang dumadaan na naghahakot ng mga kung ano-anong balita.